Okay, so today we're working on the Turbo Focus, 2004 Focus. Going to take the engine apart and show you how to clean the parts properly. And put it back together and hopefully it won't look like a piece of shit.
Right, we're going to take off all these plastic covers, that, intercoolers, pipes and everything else and get it all out of the way. Right. Start taking off these ones.
Where are we leaving bolts?
Dunno.
Just leave them up here on
I didn't need to undo that one.
this. I'm doing these.
Yeah. With mad ratcheting.
This is the one that's got an oil leak on it.
Bruh. Oil leak. Oil leak is...
What are we actually doing? We're taking bits off and then...
Yeah, we're taking all
You
the...
take it apart, put it back together whilst cleaning it.
Oh, so we're taking it apart, giving it a clean up and then putting it all back on.
Should we take the intercooler?
Let's get these pipes off first.
What ones? Oh,
I'm just releasing these in
are they 8?
10.
Fucked my order up as well, didn't you?
No. I've done it anyway.
I've done my 10. Putting these back on's going to be an absolute bitch.
Yeah, I know.
Do you want to try and get this one off? It's got oil in it. Pull it. Actually, it needs to be undone a tiny bit more. No.
What is actually underneath it? On this? We're not taking it off
Fuck, there's no taking it off.
yet. It's gonna look good when it's done though.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
They won't pump anymore. They've got stuff in them that just won't pump.
We might have to do a WD-40 trip then.
What? To Tesco's?
Yeah.
How many money?
Oh.
I do have money, just not much.
I did have some cheap WD-40, but I think I used it all.
Oh shit.
God. Where is it?
Oh, down the back.
Get it loose.
Is it loose?
Get a screwdriver and just...
Yeah, like what you did on that front one.
Oily screwdriver.
What, these are just plastic, aren't they?
Those?
No!
No. What did you lose?
No!
Where is it? What are you looking for? You got what, the whole thing?
Yeah.
You lose the whole ratchet.
Yeah. I might be able to get down there. If it's gonna happen.
There's a lot of loose bits on this engine. I don't know what's your ratchet and what isn't.
It's at the bottom. I
God,
can
that's-
see it.
There's like
What, just
oil
resting
for
on the
days behind that.
Yeah, it's on the under panel. Under tray.
Yeah, there's that one. Come off.
It's like proper stuck. What's this? Can we take this off?
No, because they're vacuum lines.
Oh, right. Only that.
I think they're under vacuum now.
Fuck with that. Oh.
Did we get the other one?
No.
So this one.
It's like all of these are sort of like...
What, did I drop the Jubilee clip down? That is gonna be
What, dropping your ratchet down the...
down the hole, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm just letting this out like this, so no.
My hands.
Right.
I know.
You feel
In...
Right, this one.
Which one was it then? You can get
Damn.
away with leaving that like that.
At least you can move it around. Cut that.
I want to learn how to bottle flip.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, no. What, my camera?
No, bottle flipping.
I think it's probably quite easy.
I've got a bottle in my bag. I'll try
It's
it.
just about having the mic right now. Water.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, here we go. We've gone from car
Yeah.
to
Oh, I'll do an Instagram post on it. Oh, what are you doing? Not bad.
Oh, you got in the fucking way. Oh no, my dad, yeah, it's a really fucking cool photo.
Can you see it down there? Oh, who got this tyre wet?
Bent it. It wasn't my fault. It looks sick.
Can you see it down there?
I don't know what we're looking for. Oh, your ratchet.
My ratchet screwdriver.
What's the handle on it?
Black.
Oh, it's black.
Shine
That-
it through this light, through this here. Because that lights the whole thing up then. Isn't that it on the floor?
Yeah.
There. Like straight down. If you look straight through. No, that's sat on top of something. I can see it though.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's all your cool magnetic? Sorry.
Try and get the actual magnet out bit and then.
This thing is fucking sick. I just went right. This it picks up like bottles of WD-40 and everything. Oh, I think I can see it. No, I can't.
This is the trouble with this kind of engine
Is that-
bay.
Is that in the way?
Did I tell you I found my
Uh,
10mm spanner?
Finally.
Yeah, my dad stole it.
And you were accusing Chris.
I was.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
Where
I
is
can't
it?
see what it's sat on.
Oh, I can see it as well.
Sort of like there.
This isn't going to be long enough to get
See,
to.
so someone got all the floor wet.
Where it's shining.
We can't get under there. Right, get this up.
Scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, boy.
My car is a good way to get free tools. I just like steal all
But
the
we ain't that
We
way.
ran over my electrical tape.
Yeah, I know. I saw it. I wasn't gonna say nothing.
I saw it just now and I'm like, yeah.
I was just gonna leave it and let you find out.
I didn't want to say anything neither, but...
I was doing bottle flip, wasn't we?
yeah, you were.
Oh, my car's too low.
I'm actually.
You're never going to say that for a while. My car's too low. What are you going on about?
Just about there.
Adam, you wouldn't know. Your car is like raised as fuck.
Really?
I was.
Keep going.
My springs are pretty new.
God.
Where's your lid?
Oh no, I'm gonna put more in. And if we take some out, we can.
Okay.
What's the, like sort of advised thing of turning a wheel when your car's up on the track?
No, not why.
Because I want to do it and then I'll be able to feel it.
Just do it. Where's the lid?
Yeah.
You guys just put that jacket.
It shouldn't do. We need something to the ladder.
Top of the ladder.
That's it.
Is that how far you're doing it from there to?
That's a lot harder than you think.
Try doing it closer.
Here we go. I think we got too much in there now.
If you get enough of a
Try less.
Yes, quite a bit out.
Oh!
No, it hit the side.
landed.
Yeah, it did.
Then what side?
It
Where's
went
that side
like
then?
that and it went back. Too much in it.
Empty some out into here.
And then we get one more go like this and then. Yeah, it's got too much.
Go on, tip some into there. This is the one.
Oh!
Oh!
Look at the way I'm sitting. Just wait for him to come. Tuned. Hard tuned. I think he's coming. Surprising. God. It's surprisingly comfortable. Bad man ting. Is he coming? God. Adam, I'll say this to you now because you can't hear me now. I would speed most of this up until he actually gets here. He's jacking the car up. You fucker. I know exactly what he's doing. You know he's gonna run away. Ah. I'm not here. Oh, he's gonna lock me in. Oh no. No. That's right, I still got the radio. Copyright. So am I actually stuck in now, or? Well, that worked.
Yeah, it did.
Was you trying to jack me up a minute ago?
Yeah. I couldn't get the jack underneath though. Could you just hear the jack on?
Yeah, I could hear you hitting it.
I couldn't get it. I was hoping I would like tip the car up and you'd be like, what the hell?
I was like, whoa.
It didn't work though.
I heard it, and that's when I.
Ben Brown Vlogs.
Ben Brown Vlogs.
Oh my god.
So today guys, we're going to. Oh my god. Pink fluffy. Then. Yeah.
Oh my god, it gets worse.
God, that one got fluff on it as well. Where is it? There.
Showcase the JDM tow hook.
What JDM toe?
Not the tow hook, but the charm.
Oh yeah.
Charm.
A drift charm on a front wheel drive car. Held on with cable ties. And JDM bikes. Hard tuned. There's your thumbnail right there. Put me off.
I don't care. You drinking it still?
A little bit.
Oh man.
Oh.
Come on.
That's not even good enough yet, then.